Hey you guys, my name is Princetta and you're watching Made by Princetta. And today we're going to be making some easy bomb ass tacos, honey. So you're going to start off with the onion. You're going to slice it, but keep some to the side so you can dice it for a presentation. In your Instapot, you're going to put it on saute and you're going to put 2 tablespoons of any cooking oil you use. I use avocado oil. Throw that onion in there. Get the oil coated, get you some onion powder, some garlic powder, and also some salt and pepper. Also, you can just add whatever you would like to, but don't go too crazy because we are going to be using some other seasonings as well. Now, after it gets soft, you're going to see that it's brown at the bottom. That's totally fine. That is totally fine. Now you're going to add your chicken to the top of those onions. You can use 2 to 4 chicken breasts in this. Get your favorite salsa. I got medium because I love the spicy. If you don't like spicy, you're going to be looking like this.
Why is it spicy?
And it's okay not to like spicy stuff, boo, but you are going to put a cup of water in this jar, shake it up, and then you're going to pour that water back into your pot. That's what's going to loosen up that salsa, so you're going to have a looser sauce for yourself. Then you're going to get these chipotle peppers, and baby, they is hot, so I only used half the can. But if you like the spice, dump the whole thing in there. But me, if I did that, I would be looking.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
But yeah, this recipe is based off of your spice tolerance, so do what you want to do. Me, I'm adding all the spicy stuff except for them chipotle peppers, because baby, yeah. So you're gonna stir that at the top and you're just gonna mix it all in so it's nice and mixed in. But again, you'll be looking like exactly like that if you add all them chipotle peppers. But hey, unless you could take heat really well, you go ahead and do that. Okay, cool. Then I'm putting some of the sauce on top just because I had a little bit of the chicken exposed. Then you're going to cancel the saute mode on here and you're going to go to the poultry one and put it on 40. Now, if you have a lot more chicken, I would say 40, but honestly, you could get away with doing a good 30-35 for 2 chicken breasts. Then you're going to take out your chicken breast and you're going to shred them with 2 forks. Go crazy. Go stupid with it, okay? Now you're going to add that chicken back into your pot with the sauce. If you have a hand blender though, blend that sauce before you put the chicken back in. But other than that, it's definitely your choice if you want to. Me, I was on crunch time, so I didn't do that. Add your cilantro and your chopped onions and you are all done, honey. Later!
So much I want to talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk. I'm always trying to work it out.